Hello, so here's how you add a bank account in Bybit Exchange. From the home section, the first thing you have to do is to click on the more button right there. And once you click that, you want to scroll down and look for the section that says buy crypto. Now, on this very section, you get to see the P2P trading, and this is what you're meant to click on. Or you can just go to the very top right there and just click on buy crypto, and then you select this very one that says P2P trading. Now, once you click on P2P trading, this would open up and display this very interface, which you can see right now. Now, if this is your first time doing this, of course, you get to see this very notice. Simply click acknowledge. Now, what you're meant to do is to click that three-dotted icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you'll be met with this mini menu. The next thing you're meant to do right now is to click on user center. And once you click on user center, you're going to be redirected to this very page. We're just going to X out of this and click on this very one that says payment method. Now, once you click on payment method, you're going to see where you'll be able to add a bank or a payment method. You can see it right here that I already have a bank account right here added. Now, what you're meant to do is to click on add payment method and you would arrive at this very page. Now, automatically or by default, your Bybit registered name will display here, and whichever bank account you want to link to your Bybit must also have this exact name. Now, the next thing you're meant to do is to enter your mobile phone number, then bank branch. So I'm not going to enter a bank branch, but in the bank name, I'm going to type in the keyword OP. I'm going to be using OP for this very video. So bank branch is not really important. Now, at the top right here, you're going to see payment method. Now you're meant to click on that very drop down arrow right there and then type in OP at the search bar. Now once you type in OP at the search bar, you're going to see OP right now. Simply select OP, which you can see right here, and this would show you this. Once everything is set, just go ahead and click on the confirm button. You can see at the bottom of your screen right there. Now once you click on confirm, you get your Google Authenticator code from your Authenticator app and fix it in right here. Now, during the password and account registration process, you would have already gone through this process. But if you can't or don't know how to do it, I already created a video for that. Check out this video, which you can see on your screen right now, in the description of this very video or in the end screen of this very video. Now, once you enter your Google Authenticator code, automatically this would load up and bring you up to this very page. Now, you can see right here, this is the OP account that I just added. All right, so I now have two payment methods. Whenever I want to do a transaction right now, whether it's buying or selling, in the P2P section of Bybit Exchange, I would have to select the exact payment method I want to use. So this is it. Really easy. If you got value, make sure you hit that like button and share this video so that others who need it would also be able to find this information easily. I would like you to leave a bit of comments in the comment section. By so doing, you encourage me to create more videos like this for you. And most importantly, if you haven't joined Bybit Exchange, I'll leave a link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.